Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Volkswagen T-Roc here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, you're going to make sure your ignition or engine is turned on. Then come to the screen in the center of the dash. And then from here, press the car button on the right hand side. Then go to settings. Then scroll down until you get to time and date. Click on there. Now here you can have it on GPS, where the time will automatically set for you. Or you can go to manual, adjust the time to what you need, and then press back to save. Then also the date, adjust what you need, press back to save.